Weather report for Vlogmas Day 1. That's rain. It's definitely rain. Merry Vlogmas Day 1 and happy very rainy Saturday to all of the peeps. I am down in the main house. I have the giant boxes of our calendars out, and so Dad and Mum will get to open theirs today as well and actually work out what they've both got. Mum knows but is a bit confused and Dad has no clue.
Right, what are we doing? Where's yours?
They're yours.
Oh,
That's
there's
mine.
two.
Yeah. You need to come in, Mum.
Oh.
Okay, you go a little bit further back. There. Okay. Ready? Merry Vlogmas. Okay.
Merry.
1, 2, 3.
Merry Vlogmas!
Peeps. Peeps. But you're not even saying anything this time.
For those that can lip read, I did say
Oh,
something.
what did he say?
No.
Should we try again?
Yeah. I don't know if I dare.
Come on.
1, 2.
Play the game.
1, 2, 3.
Merry
Vlogmas,
Vlogmas,
peeps. There we go. So, I have my calendar, which is the hot chocolate ones, and then Papa has.
He hasn't seen them yet, has he?
Oh, licorice. Oh, I love licorice.
We know.
It's going to be, might be an eventful December then.
Oh, well, you should see some of the flavours on the back of there. And Mum has the Tartar Fidolci truffles.
Are they truffles? I
Yes.
thought it's biscotti.
No, well, I think it said truffles.
Oh, right.
I'm just going to get my glasses.
Looks very
Okay.
exciting.
So, let's have a look, see what I have got for day number 1. Oh, it's in exactly the same place as last year. Okay. Ooh. It's the same as last year. White hot chocolate. I started last year with a white after 8 mint.
Oh, really?
Yes. But I have a white hot chocolate. And I actually like white chocolate. Well, I like it more than Mum does.
Definitely more marble.
More than Dad does. So I'm happy.
I don't like white chocolate. It isn't chocolate.
And then one of the nice things about these calendars is that they've got little things so you can hang them on the wall if you want to. And I've seen in my analytics on Amazon quite a lot of you have bought yourselves calendars as well this year, so that's very cool.
Oh, what fun.
And one of you got the Lego Millennium Falcon calendar that I was so tempted by. So
What's that?
You get a different piece every day of Lego to build the Millennium Falcon.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I didn't know what I'd do with it
You'd
at the
like
end.
that too, wouldn't you?
I don't play with toys anymore. I'm not publicly anyway.
What would we have done with it at the end though, once you've built the Millennium Falcon?
Gone to a far, far
Far
galaxy. Galaxy.
Galaxy. Oh, that's interesting.
Let's start as we mean to go on.
Yeah.
Okay.
At light speed. Come on.
Oh, me first. Okay. Mine's right down here in the corner.
I'm quite
Which means mine is as well.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So should
Bianco Dolce.
no.
That sounds bad.
White chocolate. Can you see that?
We got licorice.
Licorice.
There were many options. Is it? Oh, Mum, I'm sorry.
Oh, no.
If there's something good to sustain you in life, it's licorice.
She's pulling funny faces.
It's got nuts in it.
Is that just traditional licorice?
They're little bricks.
They're in a Ziploc bag.
Krautermelon.
Okay.
Do you think it's melon?
So, car in, Nimaway.
Oh yes. Right.
Are you enjoying yours, Mum?
Well, it's got lovely almonds and nuts in it. You can tell the white chocolate because it's just sweet.
Okay.
But it's not bad.
There's a surprise with this.
Herb.
It's crunchy.
Oh, really?
I've never had crunchy licorice before, ever.
Herb morsels. Watermelon, apparently. So we should have named Oh no, that wasn't Gerbert's, was hers, wasn't it? Oh wow, I can smell the
And a
licorice.
little baby lip.
Ziploc bag.
Yeah.
Mm. Oh yeah, Ziploc bag, which I can recycle.
It's the calendar that keeps on giving.
Yes, when you're taking your machine apart, it's a good place to put the screw.
Oh yeah. Did you watch the video this morning?
No.
Not yet. Mum,
I did.
Mum
Oh,
liked
it's
it.
brilliant. Thank you for your comment.
Yeah.
Yes, I just got on and did the overstitching.
Yes,
Right.
very much appreciated.
Oh, I'm going to have one more and then...
In between doing
Later.
the
The arm covers.
for
I
the-
haven't
for
shown
the
you those
sofas
yet.
and chairs.
Yeah.
Yes, which have worked out very
They
well.
worked out very well. The patterning
Very proud.
was interesting,
Yes.
wasn't it? And then we suddenly
We
had
nearly got there, and
you had a
you
eureka
tweaked
moment.
it. Yes, Charlotte
So-
tweaked it.
Am I
for me.
dismissed now?
Yeah, you can go.
Thank you.
And I did a muslin.
She did.
Yeah.
She's learning.
Most unusual.
And she's got a knife now, so I'm going to be nice. I have a hood. I have a very over-the-top extravagant hood, but I have a hood. So yeah, I know that you don't need to make this till quite far into the pattern, but I really wanted to because yeah, I need to definitely go over it with a lint roller though, because this faux fur has gone everywhere. But yeah, I'm really pleased with it, and I still have the gap down here so that the faux fur is not going to get in the way of the seam allowance on the coat. And then I've got the amazing lining. Amazing lining. So yeah, really pleased with this. Now I just need to make the rest of my jacket. Okay, so I think I have kind of pockets, and as I said, I was going to kind of, rather than finish the edges with the overlocker, line it so that I had lining, and also so that I can hide the inside of my snaps. Although working out which bit is the inside is going to be interesting. I've got the closet case patterns instructions there, and yeah, I need to put a popper there and then its corresponding thing there, and I have left the side opening here so that I can get in and put the press stud in there without it interfering with the lining of the pockets, because you know I like to make my life difficult, so I'm going to attempt this now. Wish me luck. Okay, so I've got my pockets this far. I've got the hardware sort of installed. I don't have a hammer up here, and so we're going to finish this off tomorrow because they are in, but they're not really secure, so they need a couple more good whacks with a hammer. So I'm going to stop here because I will need to, once they're in properly, I'm going to need to reinforce the back of the press stud here so that the metal doesn't rub against the silk and make this kind of wear out quicker. So what I'm going to do now is work on the lining, because I can't really work on the rest of the outer of the jacket until the pockets are on, and the pockets will be much easier to put onto a flat piece of fabric than a jacket that's already half made. So yes, lining next. So I have a lining sort of and a hood. Yeah, not quite a coat yet, but getting there. Like I say, I like to do the kind of more complicated bits first, so I do have the bellows pockets to finish, but as I mentioned, I need the hammer to get the hardware in properly. So yeah, I'm going to call it a night for now and head up to my place. I forgot to do this morning. She gets a new outfit today. Let's have a look. Oh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. And yeah, tealy greeny blue. Yeah, I like that a lot. Let's have a look at the Simplicity one as well. Simplicity 4685. That's very pretty. And she fits in with the little red dress project. I guess it's going to come as no surprise to any of you that that one's my favourite. It's currently 16 degrees up here, so I have the heater going, so yes, chilly. Which is another reason that I am in my bed, because I am actually under the duvet, because I have the electric blanket on as well. So yes, the calendar girls, if any of you guys would like them, they are back up for sale. She only makes 500 at a time, and I think she sells them in batches of 30 on Etsy. And it's one of those ones where you need to have a credit card. The single checkout thing, don't go through PayPal because it will be too slow. Yeah, good luck. If any of you would like to get them, I will link all of the details to the blog post and her Etsy shop in the description down below. I am in love with my calendar girl, and I've ordered her a new wardrobe this year, so that's coming. So yeah, exciting. Vlogmas day 1 has been very quiet, very quiet. I didn't sleep at all well last night, so I had a very late start today, which, yeah, one of those things, but never mind. I've got a lot done. I'm really pleased with how the hood has come out, and it's giving me great hopes that I'm going to really love this coat. So yeah, we shall see. Anyway, I have a lot of editing to do this evening, which I'm going to get on with, and I hope you have enjoyed Vlogmas day 1. So I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.